Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can upgrade or leveling up your skill boost of your team. So what you need to do is tap your team page. Tap it. As you can see, this is my team page. So there are some information that you can get in here and some option too to set up your formation, making substitutes, making line up of your substitute player or even first team player. So as you can see, on the top of the player icon there are their position and plus value. The plus value itself is the skill boost. Let's tap the player, tap for example the Mukoko, tap the details. As you can see, this is plus 6 overall. This is the skill boost already plus 6, so it can be upgraded until plus 7 and etc. The plus 6 is include this one. The overall mean is this. The green value, it means the skill boost. Let's get back. Let's upgrade the skill boost by tapping the skill boost page. This one the skill boost page. There are 25 that I own. Let's upgrade one of them. Tap the target man. So I'm going to level up this target man boost. Tap the level up. It consumes credit, your FIFA credits. So this level up, there are some attributes improved that following. For example, this heading was 6, shot power plus 9, finishing plus 6, acceleration plus 3, and positioning also plus 3. Let's continue tab. So it's already upgrade plus 6 overall. Let's get back to starting 11, tab starting 11. This one already plus 6 of Benjamin Sesko as a target man. So please give it a try, upgrade your skill boost. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.